This tutorial was created to get you up and running quickly with magic tooltips for gravity forms and to help you add your first tooltip quickly and easily. After you've installed magic tooltips for gravity forms, the first thing you want to do is enter your license key on the plugin settings page. Don't forget to save your changes after you've entered your key. As you can see, there are a lot of options available. We'll go over these options in another tutorial. You can easily add your tooltips directly from your Gravity Forms field settings. Just select the Tooltips tab, and in the Tooltip Content field, add your first tooltip. First, we'll enter a tooltip for the email field. Next, we'll add a tooltip for the name field. And lastly, we're going to enter a tooltip for the message field. Click Update to save your changes. And as you can see now in our demo, your tooltips are now displayed on your form. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful.